Did you know it's illegal to chew gum in Singapore? Here's why. In 1992, Singapore introduced a law banning chewing gum. Why? Chewing gum was being used to vandalize public spaces, from sticking it under chairs to jamming subway doors. The government decided enough was enough. Even importing gum was banned. In 2004, they softened the law slightly, allowing gum for medical purposes, like nicotine gum. But be careful, if you litter gum, you could still face a hefty fine of $1,000. Crazy, right? Follow the Daily Learn for more unusual laws.